Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. This is lecture number 9. In this video I am going to discuss type function. This kind of function is used to determine the data type. Now I am in my PyCharm. So now let's create a new file. Just name it type function. So now I am going to show you something. Suppose we already know that some integer value like this is 20, which is integer value. So now I am going to type a float value, just 20.45, which is a float value. We have already know that. So if we want to now this type of data type by using function, so we can by using type function. So in this video I am going to show how you can determine data types by using type function. So first of all, I just assign this 20 into a variable and this float value into b variable, and just take another string for understand. This is suppose a name which is stored in C. So now I am going to show you how type functions are work. So I just call a print function, just duplicate for 3 variable. For first one I just type A. In this second one I just type B. In this third one I just type C. This is a type function. Here I just use type function in this program. So now I am going to run this program. So here you can see our output is here. The first one is integer, because in a variable we just store integer value, in b variable we store float value, and in C which is return string, because in C we store a name which is string. By this you can and determine the boolean also, like this. If we print true, which is boolean, then when we run this code it will return boolean class here. So you can see in our output it's loading. So here you can see class is boolean. Class is bool, because in the last print function we just try to determine what types of class is this. True is a boolean function. If we type false in here, it will also return boolean. That's for today. Thank you.